Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make 12 volt battery using spot welder. Now let's get started. Friend, to make this battery I am using following equipments. Here you can see this, I am using BMS 3S and 40 ampere BMS. I am using nickel strip and I am using spot welder. Now let's start to make our project. Friend, I am using 15 lithium ion battery cell to make 3 pair. Each pair consists of 5 cells. Now let's start to make pairs. Friend, 3 pair has been ready. Here you can see this. Now let's connect in series. Positive, then negative, and then positive negative. Friend, to connect these cells I am using nickel strip. Here you can see this. And here you can see the spot welding. Friend, I connect this side. Now let's connect this side. Friend, I connect all these cells. Here you can see this. Now let's connect in series. Positive, negative, then positive, negative. Here you can see this. Now let's connect positive, negative. So friends, I connect all these cells in series. Now let's connect BMS. Here you can see this 40 ampere BMS. Friend, here you can see this. So friends, here you can see this. There is 0 volt, there is 4 volt, and there is 8 volt, and then there is 12 volt. Now I connect, then I will show you voltage of the battery. So friends, all connection has been done. Here you can see this, and battery has been ready for use. Now let's time for testing. Friend, there is voltmeter. Friend, here you can see the voltage of battery. There is 12 volt light. Here you can see this. So friend, that's all about my this project, 12 volt battery project. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn something useful from me. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.